This video tutorial explains the user profile settings of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. Tap the screen to access the menu. Click on Monitor Settings. Tap User Profile. In the User Profile tab, you can set config profile name, export, and import 3 parameters. Importing and exporting requires a USB drive to be inserted. The USB drive should be USB 2.0 with a capacity of 64 GB or below, and the file system format should be FAT32 or FAT. Click the profile name to modify the monitor name. Tap Export and you can export monitor's config profile to the USB drive. Tap Import and you can import the monitor settings file stored on the USB drive into this monitor. This is the full introduction of the user profile settings of CINENORM series monitors.